What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ProfitGuru to quickly find brands with whom you may be interested in working with. From the dashboard, you'll want to head over to the brands page. You can do that by clicking on View Brands here or Brands from the side menu. This brings you to the brands page where you can set filters so you're only reviewing brands that meet your specific criteria. Let's say that I'm a newer seller using the wholesale sourcing method and that I'm on the hunt for a good brand to work with. In this scenario, I will want to look for brands that have multiple products that are already selling well. I will want to find brands who do not sell their own items on the Amazon marketplace but wholesale their products instead. Additionally, I'll want to find brands that have a low percentage of listings with Amazon as a seller, as I never want to compete with Amazon. And then finally, I want to find brands that have a lot of lightweight items that are easy to ship. So let's take a look at how I can use ProfitGuru's filters to help quickly find potential brands that fit within this criteria. First, I'll click on Advanced Filter, and then I will set the number of products, the minimum of number of products, to 25. Let's make it 50. And I'm doing this so I'm looking at brands who have a decent amount of items already selling on Amazon. I will then set the average number of FBA sellers from, let's say, 3 to 10. And I'm doing a minimum of 3, as this can be a good indicator that the brand is willing to offer their products to multiple sellers. And then I'm setting the max to 10 as I want to try to avoid brands that are already working with a lot of sellers. Next, I will set the max percentage of listing with Amazon.com as a seller to 40%. And this lowers my chances of researching brands where Amazon is already a major seller of theirs. And then finally, I will set the maximum weight to 2.5 pounds so that I'm looking at brands that have a lot of lightweight products. That's it. Let's go ahead and click search. And what I want to do here is I'm going to want to just quickly find the brands that have a lot of products first. So I will sort from highest to lowest. And already right away, this brand definitely piques my interest. They have good average reviews. Average product weight is low, and they have a ton of products. So I should be able to, with that many products, I should be able to find a few products that could make me money. So what I'll do then is I will click on the number of products, and that brings me over here to the products page. Now, I am working on a smaller screen here, so in order to efficiently review these products, I will want to try to get all the data onto my screen without having to toggle back and forth. So what I will do is I will minimize the side menu, and then I will click on the columns that I'm mostly interested in. And the ones that I'm not, I will deselect the columns that I'm not as interested in. So I don't care so much about weight right now. I know they're all going to be under 2.5 pounds. Sellers, I don't care necessarily about the sellers. Listing quality score, I do care about. Let's see this. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like here. So, all right. So I've got a good snapshot here. So as I'm scrolling down, what I am noticing right off the bat, now that I can see everything in one screen, is that these items are sold by Amazon. So I want to remove that and only focus on the items that are not sold by Amazon. So I'll click Advanced Filter here, and I will select the Is Sold by Amazon field. I'll select No, and then I will click Search. And now you can see that those all changed, and the sold by Amazon is at No. So at this point, it's product research. I'm going to go through, I'm going to identify products that that I think that I'm interested in selling. This first one looks really good so far, just right here from the snapshot. There's only 2 FBA sellers on it. It sells about, right now it's selling 970 units per month with a 30-day average of over 1,100. Has a really good net profit. It just depends on how much it costs from Funco to get this product. So this is definitely a product I would be interested in. and so on and so forth. So as I go ahead and identify products that this brand offers I'm interested in, I do know that I'm wanting to work with this brand. So what I will do then is I will click on Funko, and that brings me to the brand's page. It gives me all of their general information, including suppliers, who that known sellers are on Amazon, as well as contact information. So what I will then do is head over to their website, and I'm going to want to review uh, if they have a reseller or wholesaler page. And typically it's at the bottom. If I don't see it right at the top, I typically just scroll quickly to the bottom. Yep, right here. So they have a resellers page here. And I will go through this and make sure that I meet all of the brand's requirements before I contact them. I would read through this. If it all checks out, then I would go ahead and send them an email providing them with the information that they are requesting. So once that's done, I can head back to the brand's page. And one thing I want you to keep in mind is not all brands have contact information. We do have a team that is working on that. So if you do run across the situation where you're interested in a brand that doesn't have anything on their general information page, this page right here, then just do as what I do is I'll do a simple Google search and try to identify them. It's 9 times out of 10 it's simple to do. It's easy to find at least a website. So if you do come across that, just do a simple website search or Google search, and you'll find them. And that's about it for brand research. ProfitGuru really makes it that simple to find brands with whom you may be interested in working with. Thanks for stopping by, and happy selling.